If you've ever had the opportunity to see one of these huge, massive, and gorgeous trees, well, you've stood in the company of greatness in the plant kingdom. The sequoia tree is awesome. They're huge and tall and thick, and they stand proudly. That's how we're going to make our drawing look today. I'm going to draw the sequoia tree with its massive trunk and great big green foliage. Basically, greens, blacks, and browns is what you're going to need for this drawing. Let's get going and draw this proud member of our natural community. You can download a free printable for this drawing. Please follow the link in the description. You can reduce the speed to 0.25 times or 0.5 times from YouTube settings. If you like pencil sketching, please do visit our channel, Art for All Sketching. I'll share the link in the description. Now it's time for coloring. We'll speed up the video. Pause or adjust the speed if needed. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you soon.